like to be able to build your very own wildly profitable internet business, join the ranks of top marketing gurus, achieve financial freedom, and live life on your terms? Who wouldn't want that, right? To that end, the only way to success that most people know is to buy ebooks, courses, training programs, one after another, from different teachers and experts. Nothing wrong with that, except that you'd wind up with a bunch of contradicting school of thoughts and advice that even if some of them are legit in their own rights, you'd be more confused than ever. And there's one problem most internet newbies are not even aware of. Sometimes this gets even the best of seasoned marketers. Everyone is so obsessed with shooting for the stars that they forget to ask where they are in the first place. In other words, you need to know where you are right now before you know where you want to go. Most people are so fixated on goals like hitting seven figures, and when they fall short of their mark, they quickly get discouraged. Or when things don't work out, they quit. If this sounds like what you're going through right now, believe me, I can totally relate to that. When I started, my immediate goal was to leave my dead end job. And of course, I wanted to achieve my own financial freedom in the near future. Problem was, I didn't have a plan. I just know I wanted to make money online, but I didn't really know what to do. And you know the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. That was exactly what I experienced for the next several months. I was working hard at a computer day and night, only to see no result in my PayPal account. I mean, shucks, what a lot of BS, huh? It would only be much later that I arrived at an epiphany that there is a building block to everything, and online marketing is no different. I mean, you can't just fly to step 10 when you're all the way down here at step 1, right? Progress meant taking every step of the way and respecting the process. So, I started from building my list, building my brand, promoting products, and earning affiliate commissions, to becoming a vendor, selling my own product, and eventually my own services. Is this going to be for everyone? No, but I'd say mostly. That's why I created the 7-Figure Mastery Program. 7-Figure Mastery is a massive 32 modules, no holds barred step-by-step guide that will take you from zero to creating a 7-figure online business. Will this be the only training program you need? While the full details are below this video, here's the gist. This training program is divided into 4 sections. The first one is the newbie. Now this is self-explanatory. A newbie is someone who is just starting out and knows almost nothing except wanting to succeed and make money online. Then the second one is the beginner. While this is closely related to newbies and used interchangeably, to me, a beginner is someone who has been around for a bit of time, probably a few months, but hasn't made money or seen any real results yet. And this is also where a lot of people are stuck at, validating a proven business model and making at least a few $1,000s. But once you've cracked the code and you consistently make income of at least $5,000 to $10,000 every month, you move up the ladder to the next part, advanced. In my opinion, anyone who's making at least $10,000 a month and above consistently are advanced marketers and skilled in their own ways. For most beginners, this is usually the most immediate income goal at a state to be in. And I imagine that for a lot of people, earning a cushy 6 figures per year can get them the financial freedom they want. This is often seen as the first stepping stone to achieving a deeper level of freedom, but it doesn't end here. The next common struggle at this stage is scaling the business. How do you take it to 7 figures and beyond? And at this point, marketers of this caliber scale what they already have: more traffic source, grow a team, increase their product prices, and when they do, they reach the coveted level of being a guru. I know this term carries a negative connotation among some people in the internet marketing space, but it's an embraced term nonetheless. Few people I know call themselves as such, but well, you know you have no control if other people call you a guru, sensei, or expert. I mean, you get my drift, right? And at this stage, you're in the $1 million range and business is serious. The best part, there's still more to come. However, you get the idea. Of course, everyone has their own definition and yardstick of success, and this is mine in a nutshell. The most important thing right now is to recognize where you are at first, where you want to go, and how you want to get there. For example, you might be making a comfy income right now as an affiliate promoting other people's products. Say you want to get to $20,000 a month and above. I mean, sure, you can do more of what you're doing right now, but sooner or later, you'll find there's a limit to your current model, and you can only do so much with it. So, if you want to make an explosive income or get to the next level, this means you have to reinvent parts of your business, change your approach, pivot along the way, and that is scaling done right. Unfortunately, most people are not even aware of this, and it took me a long time to figure this out. That's why my business took on different forms and changed approach over the years. How I do business today is nothing like what it was when I started out. And by the time you're done with the seven-figure mastery, you'll become an internet marketer dominating the field and not just merely competing. Right now, you have two choices. Choice number one, you can join everyone else in spending a small fortune on a bunch of different systems, blueprints, techniques, methods, trying to make sense of the mishmash of a mess and not see results. Or option B, you can just get seven-figure mastery and save all the guesswork. I trust you know the smarter option. So all you have to do right now is click on the order button below to get your instant access.